I'm sure you guys have seen this dress everywhere because it's been viral on TikTok. Every single Insta babe has worn it, even Kylie Jenner. So, you know, I obviously had to get it. The brand is called Poster Girl Official and they're known for all of their fishnet dresses. I ordered 2 pieces that I'm going to be trying on for you. I'm going to be styling them a little bit and I'm going to let you know what I think. Let's do it. What's up guys, it's Tanya and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I'm going to start by showing you guys what I got. I already opened everything and tried it all on because I was just like too excited when I got the package. But I wish I could have showed you what it looked like when I took it out of the box. They were so tiny. But now that I tried them on, they kind of stretched out. So the 2 pieces that I got were the ones that were like the most popular on Instagram. The first one I'm going to show you is actually a dress. It's called the Miranda Dress. And it is made out of fishnet. This is what it looks like. So I got it in color syrup. And these pieces only come in one size. It's one size fits all. So at least you don't have to worry about your size. It has these really cute little crystal heart buttons. There is like a fringe on the sleeve and a fringe on the bottom. And then the whole side has like this open detailing. You really have to see it on to see all the details. Price-wise, this dress was about like, I think 115 British pounds. I'm gonna link all of the like actual prices in the video, don't worry. So that's the first dress. So this is the Miranda dress. It is absolutely stunning. I am obsessed with it. On the back, if you could see, it says Poster Girl right here. There's this really cute like striped detailing. Basically all the like see-through parts have that detailing. And then in the parts that, you know, should be hidden, there's like a solid print, so it is not see-through. So all those parts are nicely covered. When I got it, I was like a little bit worried that, you know, fishnet is kind of like, it's sketch, like you're wearing a nylon. But honestly, it's like a really thick fishnet, so it really kind of like holds you in a little bit. It like pushes your boobs together, so it really gives a nice cleavage. This is definitely my style. I love anything that's kind of see-through. So for me, I love this dress. The fit is super great. I love these. They are so cute. This side detailing is so nice. So yeah, I love this dress. It is so cute. Let me dress it up for you. So obviously this dress looks amazing on its own. I put on a cute little white bag and a pair of nude pumps, and that's all you really need. You could also wear this dress as a shirt. I just threw on a pair of jeans and some sparkly heels to keep it a little glam. And there you go. You have a whole other outfit. No one will even know that it is the same dress you wore last night. If you live somewhere cold like I do, you could throw on a pair of cute boots. And there we go. The second piece that I got is obviously the jumpsuit that Kylie Jenner wore. It's called the Jetta Jumpsuit. I got it in color taupe. Again, it is all made out of fishnet and it is one size only. It has these really cute heart crystal buttons again. There's some buttons on the shoulders that you have to close when you put it on. Really cute detailing on the side, but you see it a lot more when I actually put the jumpsuit on. This jumpsuit was around 150 British pounds. Okay guys, let's try it on. So this is the famous Kylie jumpsuit. She wore it in blue, but I couldn't get it in the same color as her because obviously it was sold out. So I got it in this taupe color and I just love it. Kind of looks like I'm naked. It fits really nice. So I don't know if it's because of the color that I'm noticing it more, but I feel like this piece is a lot more see-through than the dress. Of course, the back is covered and we have the same little poster girl If you look up close in the print here, it says poster girl. So I find that's really cute. So you might be thinking like, ooh, fishnet, is it gonna rip? But honestly, it's pretty thick and I have really long, sharp nails. And I've put this thing on like 3 times already. It did not rip, so it's very good quality. I found that it was a little bit more see-through in these solid parts that are not supposed to be see-through. So I had to put on a pair of pasties because you could literally see the color of my nipple through the fabric. So just beware, if you get a lighter color, you're definitely gonna have to wear like pasties or something, because yeah, unless you don't mind that everybody sees your nipples. Again, these are the very cute buttons. I'm fucking obsessed with them. Honestly, the detailing on these pieces is amazing. I love it. Do I look like Kylie? So the first way I styled this was obviously the same way Kylie did. She actually did a black leather blazer, but I found that the black was way too harsh on the beige, especially since I'm also pretty pale. So I did a beige leather blazer and a pair of sparkly heels. Just call me Kylie. Whew. So again, the fun thing about these pieces is that you could wear them as tops and they look freaking amazing. So I paired it with these camel colored leather pants and I love this look. It really kind of, I won't say dresses it down, but it makes it more like presentable. Like you could go to dinner in this. I find when it's like completely see-through, it might be a little bit much for dinner, but I would definitely go to dinner like this. I love this outfit. Damn, girl! So this is like my full glam look. I threw on a pink feather jacket and some pink metallic heels. And voila! Big Bird just walked in the room. I think this is my favorite look. This is so me. I'm like very extra. Okay guys, so it's safe to say that I am obsessed with this brand. I really loved everything about the way they fit. I love how versatile they are. They just could be worn in so many different ways. There's so many possibilities, like outfit possibilities. I love that you could wear it just as is and it looks amazing, or you could dress it up and like throw a jacket over and you have a whole other outfit. And then you could even throw on a pair of pants and now you got a cute shirt. You could wear the dress one night and then the next day wear it with pants and nobody will even know that it is the same dress. I mean, like they might, but they probably won't. Boys definitely won't know. So I really think with these pieces, there's so many possibilities and so many ways to wear them. I love the fabric. When I ordered it, that was one of my concerns because obviously when you think fishnet, you think giant rips immediately. Especially if you have long nails like I do. I mean, I look at a pair of tights and they rip. The first time I put them on, I was so careful, but I realized that the material is actually pretty thick and it's a pretty sturdy nylon material. So, I mean, so far I haven't ripped them yet. Knock on wood. Knock on some wood because I don't want to rip them. I actually wore the dress out the other night and nothing, like it's actually in perfect condition. So I'm really surprised at how well the material actually holds up. Fit wise, I mean, it's one size fits all. It fits me great. There's still like a lot of stretch to it. So I think maybe the only concern is if you're a little bit bigger, it might stretch the like solid parts. So they might be a bit more see-through. The darker color for me wasn't see-through at all, but definitely the lighter color is already see-through. So you definitely need some sort of nipple cover if you don't want your nipples to show. Price-wise, I didn't find that they were super expensive. I didn't find that they were cheap either, but I think it was like a decent price range. When I saw Kylie wearing it, I was expecting it to be a lot more expensive than it was. So I was pleasantly surprised at that. Another thing I love about this brand is if you check it out on their website, they actually have matching underwear. The pieces are see-through on the side.
so you will see your underwear. I wore a beige underwear, which is the same color as this, so you didn't really see it. But if you want to go all out and order the matching underwear at the same time, I think that would be like really cool. Or if you want a bit more coverage, they also sell like the matching colored little shorts. I'm definitely not conservative, but if you're more of a conservative person, I would recommend maybe getting those shorts, and you could still wear it as an outfit without putting pants over. Yeah, so I just really love the pieces. It's definitely a statement piece that you need to have in your closet, just at least one. Let me know in the comments if you have any other styling ideas or what you thought about the pieces, which one was your favorite. I would love to hear your opinion. Thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye for now.